NFTs are making regular people rich, but personally I am done spending hundreds of dollars on Ethereum gas fee. It's complete bullshit and it's killing me.
Yeah.
But thankfully, CNFTs are here, Cardano NFTs, and these are your opportunity to get in early and potentially get rich off NFTs. I've been balls deep in this, and if you want to make huge returns on NFTs, you should be too. Keep watching. What's up guys, I'm APE Crypto, and today I'll be talking about CNFTs, and I'll be giving you a couple projects that I believe have a huge ROI in the next coming weeks. With that being said, if you enjoy NFT content, and especially Cardano NFT content, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be covering Cardano NFTs multiple times a week from here on in. So make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to not miss a single video, as I plan to expose gems. So the first project I'll be talking about today is no surprise, is SpaceBuds. SpaceBuds is one of the OG projects in the CNFT space, and it is the most popular, amassing over 38 million ADA in volume with a total of 1,424 sales. And at the current time of recording, the floor for SpaceBuds almost 4,000 ADA, and I expect that to continue rising, as the most rare ones are selling for crazy prices, with the record being 100,000 ADA for a single SpaceBud. SpaceBuds is one of the OG CNFT projects, and I do believe it is the CryptoPunks of the Cardano NFT ecosystem, and I can definitely see the floor keep on rising as Cardano NFTs continue to grow rapidly. Unfortunately, I was a little late to the party, and by the time I got into CNFTs, SpaceBuds was well over 1,000 ADA. So unfortunately, I do not own a SpaceBud, but nonetheless, I do believe they will be the biggest CNFT project there is, and I'm very bullish on SpaceBuds. Another project that I'm bullish on and that I actually own is CryptoDino, which is a cute dinosaur collection on the Cardano blockchain. I was fortunate enough to get in on this when it was 16 ADA mint price, and now the floor price is almost at 100 ADA. I can definitely see this continuing to rise, as CryptoDino is in the top 10, ranking number 8 of all-time projects in the CNFT space, and in the top 3 in the last week. And I can see this continue to rise as their social media numbers continue to grow. I've seen their Twitter go from 800 followers to 3,000, and I've seen their Discord members go from 800 to over 2,000. And by the time when this video gets released, it'll probably be higher, because this project is growing rapidly, and I can see this growth continuing. Literally yesterday, the floor price was 50 ADA, now it's 100. I personally see these dinos getting up to 1,000 ADA floor price, and the rare ones will be going for ridiculous prices, as there's a game coming out with each dinosaur laying eggs, and I'm not 100% sure, but I gather you can sell these baby dinosaurs that come from the eggs, which incentivizes people to hold, and if more people are holding than selling, this is a scarce asset, and it will continue to drive up in price. And I think we've already seen that early, but we'll see this way more, as this becomes one of the biggest projects on the Cardano blockchain. I'm very bullish on CryptoDino, but that being said, I may be biased because I own about 10 of them. Another project that I'm bullish on is Politicos, and this was actually my first CNFT, and I still haven't sold a single one, because I definitely believe in the long-term value of this project. In the all-time rankings, Politicos is already number 12, but I can see this rising as their game continues to progress. So the first initial idea is they'll have a lottery game, which is an election simulator, and each Politicos will have the opportunity to win an election. And if you win an election, you get paid in ADA. And with the greater power of position, the greater ADA prize. The greater ADA prize you'll be given, which ultimately incentivizes people to hold so they can win these prizes, and also incentivizes people to get the rarest Politicos. So I definitely do think the prices of these Politicos will go skyrocketing. They've also recently added to their roadmap that Politicos can have babies. So in particular, I believe the female Politicos will skyrocket in value even more, because you need a female to have babies, and only 18% of Politicos is female. So I've got myself a couple females, and I'm definitely bullish on Politicos. The lottery game's cool, and the fact that they got babies coming, which you can probably resell, is very cool. They truly incentivize their holders to hold, so therefore I can see this only getting more scarce with more people wanting a piece of this pie, and the floor price of Politicos will skyrocket way past the 50 ADA that it is now. I can see this pushing 1,000 ADA after smart contracts and as the hype builds up for Cardano NFTs. The final project that I'm talking about today is actually under the radar and is still minting, and it is high stakes, which, as you can see in the screen, is basically a bunch of baked stakes, this cartoon weaving thing, and I absolutely love it, and I believe it is the most underrated drop on CNFT in the CNFT space. And unlike all the other projects that I mentioned today, High Stakes is still minting, and there's about 70% left, so there's plenty of time to get your hands on a high stake at only $25.88 per mint. The art is super clean and each stake has a story, and there's only 5,000 of them, which makes it more scarce, which ultimately gives it more value. When the high stakes are fully minted, they'll also be followed up by Baked Potatoes, which is a rival gang group based on different types of potatoes. So it's kind of like a barbecue battle, but with all the characters being stoned. So I think it's hilarious, along with the great art, and it's already scarce. So in my mind, this is one of my favorite drops, and I've got a ton of these, and I'm going to continue to get these, as this is currently slept on and way under the radar. So there you have it. There's a couple CNFT projects that I'm bullish on, and there's many more to come, which I'll be covering over the next couple of weeks. So if I didn't cover your CNFT project that you wanted to hear, make sure you drop them in the comments below. Let me know what CNFT project you want me to cover. I know there's plenty, and I've got plenty more to cover, so let me know. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you all found it valuable, and if you did, please make sure to smash that like button and hit that subscribe. And also hit that notification bell, as I'll be coming with many more CNFT projects. And also make sure you follow my Twitter page, as I talk about CNFTs all the time. I'm APE Crypto, and thank you for watching.